Well, hello all. My project for today is to make a lumber mill out of an electric chainsaw. So let me show you how we're planning to go about it. We always start optimistic and we believe that this will be accomplished. So I've got this piece of chipboard, I've got my chainsaw, and the plan is to mount this chainsaw onto this board so that it lies something like that. Probably have to cut that out with a jigsaw. Well, that fits very nicely in there. And now I must just make something so it fits that way. And it fits that way. So now, with that fitting, I'm going to get a bracket that's going to hold this. So I'm going to get a bracket that will sit here and attach to the handle. Maybe a bracket that attaches to the base here, and that should hold it in place. So I'd say one bracket there, one bracket here, there, and here. So we found this piece of wood in the basement. So let's cut it there and mount this to this. And then we found this bracket, which I think I can mount like this. Now this board is going to slide with a saw poking out here. On this, it looks like a ladder, but I think it was actually scaffolding. So I'm going to put a plank here for it to slide on. Now this is rolling up and down here quite nice and smoothly. This is going to be my first attempt at milling some logs, some planks. I have my chainsaw. I've wired it, the handle to this piece of wood, bit of wire to here, and another third piece of wire here around, so the chainsaw is fixed in place. I have used blocks underneath this wood to hold it level, and the chainsaw is not particularly sharp, but let's give it a go.